autoimmunity. Now, normally, the immune system can distinguish between self and non-self. Now, what is the function of the immune system? To make out which one is a self and which one is a non-self. Kuntu nijor, kuntu beleg, bahira bostu. It does not produce antibodies against self. But when this self-regulation system fails, it results in autoimmune diseases. So it means what? That normally, what is the function of the immune system? To distinguish which one is a self and which one is a non-self. Kuntu nijor bostu, kuntu beleg bahira bostu. Kintu ketiaba ki hoy, immune system, sometimes the immune system cannot make out. So when something is wrong with the immune system, then as a result, it cannot make out which one is the self, which one is a non-self. So as a result of which, it leads to what? It leads to a disease, and that disease is known as autoimmune disease. So when here the body's own tissue, so in autoimmunity কি হয়, body's own tissues or organs become antigen. So নিজৰ body organ, নিজৰ body tissue antigen হৈ যায়, foreign বস্তু হৈ যায়, আৰু সেইবিলাকক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? Auto antigens. So they are known as a auto antigens. যেতিয়া নিজৰ body অংগ বা tissues antigen হৈ যায়, so সেইবিলাকক auto antigens বুলি কোৱা হয় বা self antigens বুলি কোৱা হয়. না বহুত ধৰণৰ autoimmune disease আছে, যেনে chronic anemia. If the self antigens are RBC, যেতিয়া RBC antigen হৈ যায়, তেতিয়া কি হয়? Immune system RBC নষ্ট কৰি পেলায়, and as a result সেই মানুহজনৰ chronic anemia হৈ যায়, constantly RBC destroy হৈ থাকে. Chronic hepatitis. So when the liver cells become antigen. So when the liver cells become antigen, then immune system will start destroying the liver cells. So this leads to chronic hepatitis. Myasthenia gravis. So myasthenia gravis, here what happens? The nerve impulse that help the brain to control the muscles, those nerves, they become defective. They cannot work properly, and as a result, it leads to muscle weakness. The muscle cannot work, the muscle cannot move. Then Hashimoto's thyroiditis, it is the destruction of the thyroid gland. So when the thyroid gland cells become antigen, so as a result, the immune system will destroy the thyroid gland, and this is called Hashimoto's thyroiditis. As a result, what happens? It leads to hypothyroidism. So thyroid gland will not be able to produce the hormone properly. Then type 1 diabetes, Addison's disease, vitiligo, rheumatoid arthritis, all these are examples of autoimmunity. Now let us come to immunodeficiency. Now you have already studied about what are the immune system cells. Lymphocytes are the immune system cells. You have also studied that the lymphocytes are of two kinds. They are B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Now when the immune system cannot produce the lymphocytes properly, so immune system will not be able to work. So when the immune system will not be able to work, as a result, this leads to some diseases, and those diseases are known as immunodeficiency diseases.